Hi all, welcome to this session on Power BI for beginners. In this session, we will unlock the potentials of the Power BI, which enable us to convert raw data into high impact business insights. In this beginner module, we will navigate the Power BI interface, connect the data, and finally build a very first interactive report. Before we dive in, let's understand the Power BI interface. On your left hand side, you will see the three view. The first view is your report view. This is where we design our report. This is where you design your interactive dashboard using these icons. Okay, so you have to drag the visual, drop here, then use your data to build your interactive report. And the next one is the table view. This will enable us to see the data in an Excel format, like a spreadsheet style format. So this will allow us to quickly glance at your data and understand or audit the information before it comes to your mainstream, that is before it comes to your report. And third one is the model view. This will be helpful if you're working with multiple tables using the connection. It's not just single table, but if you're working with multiple tables. So we have made a separate video on how to create the model view in the Power BI, how to create a database model in the Power BI. So please go and check it out. And let's start. Before starting, again, we have to understand what data we are going to use for this report preparation. So let's see our data. This is our data. Very simple information. You can download the same sales data set from Kaggle. Just type sales data set. Then you will be able to pull this information. And very simple information. Just a sale of this particular product, sales information of this particular product, and who bought the product, on what date, where the sale had happened, and by what payment mode. So it is very important as an analyst, before understanding any tool, it is very important to understand our data first. Have a brief information or brief idea about your data, then make a plan on what insights you're going to show, how you're going to show, and then we will dive into your Power BI module. So let's start.